Question 26d. Solve these simultaneous equations to find the values of x and y. We have y equals 2x plus 1 and x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Now we can use either elimination method or substitution method. The elimination method works best when you have the same term in both equations that you can either subtract or add together to eliminate them. But we don't have that. What we do have though is we have y as the subject of the formula in the first equation. And that will make substitution method a lot easier to use. So that's what I'm going to apply here. So using the substitution method, what I'm going to do first, just to make it a little bit easier for myself, is I'm going to start with the second equation. And I'm going to write it as x minus 2 outside of y in brackets. So all I've done is I've just added brackets around the y. Minus 4 equals 0. And the reason for that is because I'm going to substitute out the y, and in its place, I'm going to substitute in 2x plus 1, since y and 2x plus 1 are equal in value based on the first equation. So I'm going to substitute out the y, and in its place I'm going to write 2x plus 1 in the brackets, and that's the significance of adding the brackets around the variable that is going to be substituted out. So now we have an equation involving the variable x only. So x minus 2 outside of 2x plus 1 in brackets minus 4 equals 0. We'll expand the brackets there. And we get x minus 4x minus 2 minus 4 equals 0. So that's minus 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And minus 2 or negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Minus 4 equals 0. Now let's solve this equation. So we'll collect the like terms. So x minus 4x is negative 3x. And negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6, and that equals 0. I'm going to move the negative 6 over to the other side by adding 6 to both sides. So we have negative 3x is equal to positive 6. Dividing both sides by negative 3, we have x equals 6 divided by negative 3. So therefore, x equals negative 2. Now that's only half the solution. We still need the y value that corresponds to that. So we can use the first equation for that. Since y is already the subject of the formula, all I need to do now is just substitute x equals negative 2 into the first equation to then find the value of y. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by negative 2 plus 1. So in place of the x, substitute in the value negative 2 plus 1, and therefore y is equal to negative 3. And therefore the solution is x equals negative 2, y equals negative 3.